Hey guys, it's Shane Head for Pop RVs and PopSales.com coming to you today from just outside of Hawkins, Texas. Got a great popular model to share with you today. Spring is upon us, so if you're thinking about making some of those nice summer trips, this is a great rig to consider. This is the Leisure Travel U24TB. This is the twin bed option. It has the split twin in the back, can be converted into a full basically a king size bed once you put the center cushions in. We'll show you that when we get inside, but we're going to take you around this RV, kind of show you some of the cool features, give you some overviews of it. If you want to see more details of this listing, you want to look at all the pictures, head on over to the website. There's a link here in the video description. It'll take you over to popsales.com where you can see the full ad. We've got well over 100 pictures, all the factory specifications, condition report, everything you're going to want to know about this RV will be there. And of course, you can call that number below in the video as well. If you want to request a showing, you'd like to make an offer, or you'd like to even get pre-approved for financing, you can do all that from the telephone number or there on the website. So guys, this is a 2-owner unit, just over 80,000 miles. Of course, the Leisure Travel, known for building on that very dependable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with the V6 turbo diesel engine. Very proven, dependable platform, very fuel efficient, very quiet. This particular model is a no slide out design, making it a very popular choice for lots of travelers. Real easy to set up at camp. Of course, you've got full off-grid capabilities with your LP generator. You've also got 2 solar panels up top to keep your house batteries topped off. Just a really simple to use, well-engineered unit that Unity is the Leisure Travel brand, and of course the Unity is known for. Receiver hitch on the back, full body paint, lots of great storage. We've got pictures of all the storages and underneath connections available for you to look at in the ad at popsales.com. Also got pictures of the roof showing you the solar panels and the condition of the roof. As we get in closer, you can see the full body paint is still in really good shape. I'm a big fan of full body paint because you don't have vinyl graphics that peel and crack over time. As you can see, these still look really good even for the age of the unit. Rear tires have date codes from 2023. Front tires have date codes from 2020. So you've got good rubber all the way around still for several years. We'll give you a sneak peek into the cockpit, and then we'll head inside and show you all the interior features. Low entry point to get in. Even the material on the chairs are still in good shape. Some very minor wear on the synthetic material here on the side bolsters. Normal wear and tear for its age. Of course, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. 80,003 miles as of today's date. Tilt cruise, power windows. Little sneak peek looking inside. Now we're going to take you inside and show you the rest of the living quarters. All right, guys, we're headed inside. Of course, as expected, you do have that auto entry step that can be turned on and off. So when you're at a camp and you want to leave it open and not open and closing every time you open the door, you can set it for that. Master battery switch here inside. And as we get into the interior, really spacious floor plan as far as a no slide out design. Premium materials, solid surface countertops. You've got this opposing dinette with the removable table that has the fold out leaves. Instead of an overhead bunk, you've got overhead storage. 2-burner cooktop. Nice little things like the trash can built into the countertop here for easy access. Across the way, you've got a stainless steel refrigerator freezer, convection microwave, pantry storage. And as we move to the back, let's get a little light on the situation here. That popular split twin bed. If you put those cushions in the middle, you can convert it to a king bed. Built-in nightstand in between. Nice built-in shelves to serve as your nightstands. Another flat screen TV. Real wood cabinets. You've got those radius door overhead cabinets with the push button locks. Your bathroom closet, as I like to call it, you've got a Dometic porcelain toilet. That is not a plastic toilet. Overhead, fantastic, not a fantastic fan, but kind of works the same way. And then your shower, this door closes all the way back for privacy. recessed skylight in the shower to give you a little extra height. Nice overhead skylight that does vent up, so it gives you fresh air if you want that. Swivel chairs in the front as well, so these can flip around and face the inside of the RV. Guys, this thing really shows well for its age. Does have the generator, as we mentioned. Only 63 hours on that Cummins Onan generator, your Magnum Energy inverter, all your tank monitors, your hot water heater for electric and gas, your equalizer system controls here as well. Everything right here, easy to get to when you come into the RV. You do also have these manual pull down day and night shades. Really nice feature on the Unity. Jensen overhead stereo system. Just a really great use of space in a non-slide out unit. One reason this model has become so popular. So there you have it, guys. It is the 2016 Leisure Travel Unity, known as the UT24TB, which stands for twin bed, available here at Pop RVs, popsales.com. Again, if you want to see it in person, give us a call at that number below. You can also head over to the website. The link's here in the video description. There you can request a showing, you can make an offer, you could even get pre-approved for financing. So from Hawkins, Texas, for Pop RVs and popsales.com, Shane Head saying thank you for watching.